In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequences in Apollo.io. Apollo.io is an intuitive and powerful sales intelligence and engagement platform designed to help businesses streamline their sales processes and scale their growth. A key feature of Apollo.io is its sequence function, which allows you to create automated multi-touch outreach tracks tailored to engage your audience effectively. So if you're looking to leverage Apollo.io's sequences to boost your sales process, then stick around as we walk through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Apollo.io website. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access your dashboard. Enter your login credentials and let the system load, taking you into the main Apollo.io interface, where you can engage with all its robust features. Once you're logged into your Apollo.io account, direct your attention to the side panel, which houses a variety of options. Here, find and click on the Sequences button. This section is your command center for creating and managing your sequences. You'll be able to see your existing sequences or manage new ones from this screen. To begin creating a new sequence, look for the Create a Sequence button. This is usually prominently displayed to make it easy for users to get started on new projects. Clicking on this button will open up options for how you can build your sequence. Here, Apollo.io offers versatility, allowing you to create it manually, leverage existing templates, or even utilize AI to automate the setup. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor sequences to best fit your business needs and strategies. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll proceed with using templates as they provide a structured and time-saving method of getting started. Choose the Templates option to see all the pre-made templates Apollo.io offers. These templates are designed to cater to various outreach strategies and offer the advantage of being refined through repeated, successful use. Locate a template that aligns with your outreach goals and click on Use Template to begin customizing it. Once you've selected your template, you'll have the opportunity to personalize it. This includes inputting specific dates or modifying email content and touch points. By ensuring your sequence aligns with your campaign goals, you'll effectively engage your audience. Take a moment to review your inputs and edits, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your marketing intentions. After you've fine-tuned your sequence, don't forget the final and crucial step, saving your work. Once you've reviewed all changes and confirmed correctness, click Save Changes. This action will commit your sequence to the system, and depending on your launch schedule, you're all set to execute your newly created sequence. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating sequences within Apollo.io, designed to optimize your team's sales engagement strategies. Thank you for following along, and happy selling.